Massive, how are we there? It's all about UWI Carnival 2026. Massive, and we just step on the outskirt. Close and skirt, as me say, whoa, a trouble. Jamaica walk by in a place. Massive, start like a video right now. If you're a carnival lover, if you love vibes, you love energy, yeah, this is the one for you. It's all about UWI Carnival 2026, where the ladies them come out in the next door. Whoa! Whole heap of youth, whole heap of general, whole heap of beautiful ladies. A mad thing. And we just go walk through, we just go show the natural vibe, the natural energy. For UWI Carnival 26, I don't know how long I go there. But yeah, I could capture the happenings, I could capture everything we are going on, man. A mad thing. Are you ready? Let's do this. Start like up a video right here now. Yeah, they look too serious a while ago. Yeah. So Massive, are you ready? Carnival 2026, UWI Carnival, college student, a mad sitting man. We're there and we're ready. Let's go, let's go. So Massive, it's all about the natural vibe. We just have to walk through, not too serious, just video, we have video. So I capture everything and anybody with a walk through, you understand? Let's go. UWI Carnival 2026, blouse and skirt, ready up, ready up.
With the side. Viral Lugana, man. Viral Lugana.
Side man with benefits. Just call a man.
Let's lift it up.
Walla, no move. That is it, the teacher.
Yes, each year Wildest, 5 minus, just play songs, so we don't know what one. But anybody that want to run out right here about it,
Sorry, you're pretty girl.
What
walk we are walk through massive. Everything we are taking. Hello? Yeah? Give me a second.
Well, I don't know. Fireman, talk to the girl them right now.
I'm crazy vibe. Ten brainy off your video.
friend killer. We don't believe in us.
Somebody say, I go.
The amazing family.
Yo, Soca.
How they do me on?
What's that? Everybody put up your hand and sing. Sing it out. Louder. Because now make them trick me and kill me. You must see. Life and it. All who real alkaline and say alkaline and bad artists clap and lock in the air and say.
Now we're going to make it. I must not go going to make it.
You never tell me you're going to put the whole thing inside there, yeah? See, that's the tip. I want you right on the tip. Pick up John Strong anytime. Who's a condom all the time. Let's go. Press play again. Press play again. Mr. Press play again. Audience. I'm going to send this one. I'm going to send this. Hey! 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 Wherever you are!
7 in a normal out here. Swear. Boy,
What you want?
I chop for these people. If you like fuck, you like fuck, you're not chop. Yeah, all the party I look so. How many girls then turn up and I look so? You feel like the drama. Like the temptation, I just say them. Ready or no? Every girl ready. Listen. Boy, them period of me, man. Watch them green skin girl, watch them buff beer. Canada don't come in and pick up on. Put it on them,
UWI Carnival, active, a mad thing. Yeah, massive. So we actually there at the back of the line, you know. This is what I wanted. So that's everybody pass so we can catch the vibe or go on. You see me, I say a mad thing, man. Outside. Are you ready? So we are going to join the convoy and I want to make a walk. You see me? A mad thing. Let's go. Let's do this. Mad. So we're there at the back of the line now. As you can see, police car them and thing. Yeah, we're there at the back. So let's go. Let's go march on, man. Wow, what a job on have, man. That's Christ.
Somebody know you are the girl on a cheat sheet. The girl left me. The girl on the wall on a ticklish love on the wall. Hard love, Steve, fly. You hear me I say, you want my Kingston back, come to pro.
Yeah, massive, let's go. UWI Carnival.
Tell them again.
The girl on the wall on ticklish
camera, watching camera. Wait up and give me over this one. Oh, good. UWI Carnival.
You think your last name?
Yeah, massive. Let's do this. I wanna say, make sure you not like the video. You understand? Make sure you not like the video. I'm mad, man. I must say, I hopes everything good, boy. Cause the girl, them not have no clothes. Crazy energy, man. But I say, massive, I will go catch up towards the chop them. Please, make sure you not like the video. But don't know, say quality clean and everything curry. Please, I beg you, like the video. Oh, go on, sir. Trouble there. Big up yourself, teacher. Alright, massive, we go in our festivities. Alright. So if you're just joining, remember it's all about UWI Carnival 2026, massive. A crazy thing, the place active and loud. You understand? Make sure you not like the video. Drop in a comment in the comment section right about now. So we are going to play a catch up with the truck and things. So we will go through. Let's move. What a vibe, what a energy. If you not miss this, yeah, you not miss something. You not miss something. They're telling us you not miss something. Let's go. So massive, we just enjoy the nice vibe, the natural ambience, everything. Crazy thing I go on. Boy, I'm sorry for you. Gotcha. So now I wait up. UWI Carnival, how mad thing. Brother, so massive, I say we just a walk through. Remember, we just a walk through, I capture the full vibe, the full ambience, the full everything. You understand? You wanna see how the UWI Carnival thing set up. It doesn't?
No, it does not.
Hold on. Alright, so we are going to move up towards the truck them now. It look like we are far behind. There's so much things going on. Can't keep up. Let's go. Alright, we'll go through the crowd. So massive, if you're just a giant, please may I ask you if you like the video. You know it thing go, UWI Carnival 2026. Share it to a friend, make sure you like the video. Yo, we are looking for 20,000 likes for that one. 20,000, let's go. 20,000. So, with the carnival, they call this carnival the ring carnival. So you just walk around the entire circle, laugh, dance, whole of vibe, and everything. That is it. Boy, yo.
Ask if you can call. Point to ask if you can call. Who you want to call? Jay.
We are move fast. Up there we are go.
Ask her where she is.
UWI Carnival. So at some point the truck just stop around for one point and then people just load up again, rest and just dance. Yeah, massive. Them energy. Whoa, yo. A police car coming through. Wait, what's your road?
So good.
So let's move, massive. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be here till the night, but we are going to film so that we're tired. We'll film till it's done. So right about now, stay locked, because guess what? Chuck them stop down there, so and you know a crazy thing will go on. We even need a water break. Yeah. Fast walk. A mad thing. Alright, massive, so right about this side now is where them just stop for a while. Round there again.
Jamaica Carnival.
Let's go. Right, missed it.
Watch it. Straight back to summer.
Massive and mad thing.
Level. Every girl from the North Side of Africa show your one. Your man here, you never come and send fire. You don't care for my partner off your phone, you have to dash out your one, right? So you can be here. Shake your bamba. You don't have to dash out your one. Around to the next line up. Around to the window. Here we go. Ready to go. man she hold, she like that. Bad man she hold, she like that. Bad man she hold, bad man she hold. Hey, fix up my something, I'm gonna ramp up my body, so yeah, you know. Here I go, I know. Bad man she hold, she like that. Bad man she hold, she like that. Bad man she hold.
What a vibe, you know.
Bad man she hold, she like that. I know you get low, I know the head to the chick and I reload. I see you get low, I know you get low, I know the head to the chick and I reload. Bad man she hold, she like that.
One in a overdress, and girl in a Kim Kardashian, and a
UWI Carnival.
Ramsey, you good? Ramsey, you good? Somebody kill Ramsey? What's wrong? Where is it? That's it, Soca. You want to go on the back? I don't want to turn over play still. But I have enough big particle beside the truck right now. And every girl right now, walk me over. Ladies, if you walk me over, say yeah, yeah. No man, they can't hear you. ZJs, the ladies are speaking to you. Open up your ears. Ladies, if you want bend over and get on band, say yeah, yeah. Want to hear them? Want to hear them? Please, I beg you. I want ears of a white frog girl from up and so. You don't love me no wine. You don't love me no wine. You don't love me no wine. Jesus Christ. Ready? When I hear the song? When I hear the song? Engineer, perfect. Engineer, hold on.
Why must I tell you, say? Woman and man like a wow. Girl, them now man a push.
Tonight, let's go. Ladies, come back right now. I want to
So massive, if you're just a giant, as I say, UWI Carnival 2026. Just the vibe, we just a walk through and show natural happenings them. You understand? A Jamaica walk by. Natural vibe, natural everything. Oh yeah.
Somebody sing. I will not hold you. Listen, the next song, everybody listen to Fireman. The next song I'm about to play, I don't care if you don't know the words. When I count to 3, everybody going to take my jump right which part to do. Press play.
From the truck where your heart is, and it look like stage fright to me. Front page is where legends belong, but backstage is where legends are born.
Nice.
Like it's the stage of Fred Larry. I'm telling you, this ain't only a story, it's the last performance. Hard luck, but we have endurance. Now we tell him us to a masterpiece.
Massive, not that us the energy, not normal. So Massive, we just take a look walk towards the front. See what going around and so. Alright, Massive, so we're there at the front. Chuck them just take a little break. Where them just stand up, you know what I mean? Make the people them can get to dance, laugh and chat. Yeah, you alone me shout out your Instagram. Because they want it from the video. Shout out your Instagram. We'll shout out our Instagram today.
How would you like to?
No, just tell me. Right now, my record right now.
You want to know my Instagram?
Yeah.
Tour Excel.
Big up yourself, my friend. That is it. Big up Ramesh ENT, you know what I mean? Massive, if you watch the video, when they do the girl that walking at Old Abaton and orange, that was her. What I go on and know? What did I miss? Jamaica walk by. Massive, when I'm ready. Up, up, jump, up, jump, jump. Everybody jump and win. Show me 1,000 and just show me 1,000. Yeah, we have your body dancing like the 1,000. Rock by the 1,000. Touch them like the 1,000. Double by Man said, me sure sound I love the vibe and I love the energy. Please, not gonna like the video.
Get that away, get that away, get that away.
Just as we want to catch you, the G just stop. Can't believe. Halfway through the mission, me not even gonna catch you good.
Wildest. I could play some girl tune.
Massive man say, girl song, are you ready? Read him up, read him up.
If you don't say you're for the fireman attack, you tell us that you are doing that. Press blue. Get up and start are you in
One with y'all, give me the thing. One with y'all, give me the thing. Furthermore, you are my journalist.
Jumping at the best of it, go and drive it up. All that steam cream just go and go cool out. Hey, go and drive it up. All that steam cream just go and go cool out. This man a rev you. Murder! If you don't know, there's no event without food. Jerk chicken live. Jerk chicken live. What kind of soup we have in there?
Chicken and chicken.
Hello, Sans girl, look what I want to know. Why, ready chicken, ready soup. Wow. Who wants some really hard jerk chicken? Watch out. What? Food. Close and skirt. How much I let you go for? How much I let you go for? 1,200. Left hand side. 1,200. Out there. Snacks. What yours? Hey. Mega one show them, man. Respect.
We need some girl and some youth in our tree over your son. We need some girl in our tree over the sun. Every girl who like to tree.
Massive, we don't lock off the camera today. We just have to run.
Morning, sir, till like a key.
Watch the vibe. like a movements again. Road march ready again. What a vibe, what an energy massive, I'm telling you. Seal it. Chuck, ready for move. Chuck, ready for move.
Anybody celebrating a birthday this evening? Hold on, let me check again. Anybody celebrating a birthday in March? Anybody know somebody that's celebrating a birthday in March? So let me sing. Ready now. Sing to you. It's a sing. Happy birthday. Everybody. To you. Alright, now happy.
Alright, in front of that chunker.
Who's back there?
Catch it. So massive, it's all about UWI Carnival 2026. The place load, whole heap of vibe, whole heap of energy as you walk through. Massive, yo, it's soon closer, hear that? Hope you enjoy the video, you don't know it's at the night, you know. A different segment with the night segment, so they might go around to the UWI Club. Let's go. Big up to all of my die-hearted subscribers them. Where? All of my die-hearted subscribers them will watch from a long time. Big up to all of massive them from Canada, New York, England. It's loud. So blessings and respect. Thank you so much for watching. But we are close on part 1 right here, so. You know what I mean? Let's go across. Mega run. Yeah, massive. We have a close up right here, so. Hope you love the video. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope you love the vibe, the energy, everything. But the right straight up with me, you see me? UWI Carnival 2026 was a vibe. Look good now, man.
Let's go. somebody. Hey, my girl, get over, please.
Hey, hey. You're too bad. So thank you so much for watching my massive, amatic, art alone, respect, for all time.
Just one and then over. The soca, the return and tabletop on the sofa. Nice show. I will go play along from and find the audience song. We'll make every girl go for ride. But one audience song, tell us when you look the intro. Who wants to look at it? Who wants to look at it? Give me the look. 1, 2, 3,
Outside, massive, outside with it. Big up, respect, thank you so much for joining.
Let's go.
See again? It depends. If you buy, it's an Asco packet trade. For $600, we create a combo. Yeah, man, it's nice, man. Mad. And the transition well, right now, day 399 clean.
Every girl do that right now. Show me.
Outside. What are you about?
Ready? Let them ready. 1, 2, 3, ready.
Come through. What have you been? You have you been?
Ready.
Why girl no give man at the bed down in front of one other girl?
Watch me. Ready.
Somebody push him. Big up and respect massive, art and love. We're signing out right after UWI Carnival.